Hello and welcome to Dick's Performance North tutorial videos. In this tutorial, we will go over how to file an RA, also known as a return authorization form. If you're returning a product for warranty, please check the manufacturer's warranty first to see how they would like their warranties handled. First, you'll need to log into your account if you haven't already done so. Please enter your user and password information into the top right-hand corner of the screen. Now that you've logged in, click on Carts at the top right-hand side of your screen. On the Carts page, you can view any open carts that you may have, but in this tutorial, we'll be focusing on the Order History function, located on the top left-hand side of your screen. Once you're in your order history, you will have two places you will see all of your invoices. For orders placed online, you are already in the right spot and can view all of your online order invoices on this page. If you know the PO number that was issued on the order, you can enter it into the search bar located on the right-hand side of the page. This will narrow down your invoice options. Once you've narrowed it down to the invoice you'd like to submit for a return, click File Return, also located on the right-hand side of your screen. A pop-up window will appear with our return policy. Please review our warranty and returns policy to make sure your order qualifies for return before submitting. Now that you've confirmed your return qualifies, you can scroll all the way down to the bottom of the screen where you will see the RA form for the invoice you've selected. If you click on the Part to Return tab, it will show you the list of available parts for return on the selected invoice. Click on the part that you would like to return, and you can now select Condition, as well as add comments so we know why a particular piece is coming back. If this is a new return, all we need to know is that it's in new and resellable condition, and you're good to hit the Submit button. If the return is due to a wrong item, please include as much information as possible, including the vehicle's year, make, model, and who your salesperson was to help us determine if the issue is a possible human error or due to a website listing. If your return is due to damage, please make a comment of any important information, and if possible, a picture of the damaged shipment, as it will help us in dealing with the various couriers and possibly receiving credits for freight costs. Lastly, if your return is due to a possible warranty claim, please follow the manufacturer's warranty guideline before submitting for an RA. Some manufacturers require you to reach out first, so they may try to resolve the issue before involving a distributor. In this case, the manufacturer has issued their own RA and advised the customer to return to us for a replacement unit. If you have been in touch with a manufacturer, please include any important information, like who you spoke with, their direct phone number or email address, if it was provided, as well as any reference or RA number they may have issued to you. Now that you've gone through the process for online orders, let's take a look at getting an RA submitted for your other orders. Click on Invoices, located at the top left corner of your screen. From here, you can use the Search Invoices, Payments, Transactions function to narrow down which invoice you'd like to return a part off of. Today we will search by invoice with the date range of February 5th to 10th. Once you hit search, it will bring up your results from the parameters entered, and you may select the invoice you'd like to submit for return and then proceed to File Return. Our Warranty and Returns pop-up window will now appear, and you may proceed with filling out the form as explained previously. Alternatively, if you have very limited information but would still like to submit for a return, you can click on the Setting Cog icon from the main page to bring up a drop-down menu that allows you to click on My Profile. While on the My Profile page, you will see on the left-hand side File Return highlighted in blue. After you have read our return policy, scroll down to the bottom and you'll be able to fill out the RA form. Once you've filled out all the appropriate information and included pictures if needed, you're now good to hit Submit. Once completed, you'll see a confirmation on screen that your RA was successfully submitted. You have now successfully learned the best ways to get RAs. Please allow 1 to 2 business days for us to process your request. Once we've decided how to proceed, you will receive an email detailing how to move forward with your return.